Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving exercise 5.1 fourth question, and in that first to five sub questions. So here we will be solving the fourth question, in which they are asking from the given list of these sub questions which are APs, and if they are AP, then find the common difference, and we have to write the next three terms. Okay. So now first we have to find, first we need to check whether they are APs or no. And how we can check that? Using the common difference. So first we have to find the common difference. So to find the common difference, the formula is A2 minus A1. So A2 is 4 and A1 is 2, and here 4 minus 2 is 2, and one more time we need to check, only then we can say that this is an AP or no, because the difference has to be constant every time between the different terms. So now we will check for A3 minus A2. So A3 is 8 and A2 is 4, and 8 minus 4 is 4. So as you can see here we are getting 2 and here we are getting 4. It means the difference is not same. So we'll write here. Therefore, D is not same. Therefore, this is not an arithmetic proof. This is not an AP. So this is our, and because this is not an AP, we cannot go ahead in this question. We cannot write the next three terms. So we have to stop here only, and this is our answer. Okay. So we'll go to the next one. Here also we need to check the common difference. So A2 minus A1. So 5 by 2 minus 2. And here we need to calculate LCM. Here nothing is there. So here into 2 we have to do. So here 5 by 2 minus 2 is 4 and 2. So now the denominator is same. So 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2 here. And one more time we will check that here, but now A3 minus A2 we will do. So A3 is 3 minus 5 by 2. So here also into 2 we need to do, as here nothing is there. Then 3 to the 6 minus 5 by 2. So here also we are getting 1 by 2. Yes. So now if you see here also we are getting half, and here also we are getting 1 by 2 half. It means the D is the same. It is constant. So we'll write here. So D is the same, and they have asked us to write the value of D. So D is equal to 1 by 2, and we have to write the next three terms. So therefore next three terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 A till A4 they have given. So A5, A6 and A7 is what we will find out. So now here to find A5 we need to take A4 the term plus we need to add a D in that. So A4 is how much? A4 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2, and in that we need to add a D, which is 1 by 2. Okay, so the denominator is same, so directly add the numerator part, so it will become 8 by 2, and we can further simplify this. 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, so A5 is 4. What I will do is I will calculate A6 and A7 here. Okay, so A6 I will calculate here. So A6 we have to take A5 and we need to add a D. So A5 is how much? 4 plus D is 1 by 2 half. Here we need to multiply 2 here because here nothing is there. So we have to multiply 2 here. 4 to the 8 plus 1 upon 2. So here we have 9 by. So 9 by 2 is our answer for A6. Similarly, A7 we need to calculate. For that, we need to take A6 plus D we have to do. A6 is 9 by 2, just now we found out. Plus we will add D which is 1 by 2. So it will become 10 by 2. And we can further simplify it. 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So now, so what we did here, we checked whether, so here what we did, first we checked whether the D value is same, it is constant or no every time. So here also we got 1 by 2, here also we got 1 by 2. So D is same. So we wrote D is equal to 1 by 2. Then we found out the next three terms. So for A1, A2, A3, A4 they had given. So we found out A5 which is 4, A6 which is 9 by 2 and A7 is 5. So this completes our this question. Okay, so we have found out the next three terms. Now we'll see the next sub question 3 on the next page. Now we'll see third sub question here. So first we need to, check the D whether it is same. So A2 minus A1 we will do. So A2 is how much? Minus 3 by 2. Minus sign as it is, and then minus, then A1 is again minus 1 by 2. So I will write it in bracket. Okay. So minus 3.2 minus minus plus, so 1.2. So minus plus is minus and sign of bigger number. So the answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. But we need to check it one more time. So one more time we will check here. And this time we have to do A3 minus A2. So A3 is minus 5.2 minus sign as it is, and then A2 value is again minus, so minus 3.2, then minus 5.2 minus minus plus, this minus and minus will become plus 3.2. So we'll subtract, minus plus is minus, so we'll subtract and keep the minus sign of bigger number. So it is again minus 2. So what we are seeing is that we are getting same value for D both the times. It means the D is same and this is an AP. So therefore D is same. So this is arithmetic. And they had asked us to write the value of D. So the D value is, D value is minus 2. We'll write the next three terms. So that is what they have asked in the question. So four terms they have given. So a fifth term we will write. So a5 how we calculate, a4 plus d we do. So a fourth term is minus 7.2 plus d is how much, it is minus 2. So plus minus will become minus. So 7.2 minus 2 will give us minus 9.2. Now we will find a sixth term. Here we need to take a5 plus d to find a6. And a5 is how much, just now we found out, it is minus 9.2 plus d is minus 2 and plus minus will become minus. So minus 9.2 and minus 2 will become minus 11.2. Minus 11. Now we will find a7. A6 plus d we have to do. So A6 is minus 11.2 plus D is minus 2 is equal to minus minus, we have to add and retain the minus sign. So minus 13.2 is our answer. So this completes our question numbers, this third sub question. Now we will do the fourth sub question. We need to check D first. So A2 minus A1 we will do. So A2 is minus 6 minus A1 is minus 10. So minus 6 and here minus minus will become plus. So plus 10. And here minus plus is minus and we have to keep the bigger number sign. So plus 4 is our D. And one more time we need to check. Now we will check A3 minus A2, because see guys, we need to check the difference between the terms, and at least for two times we need to check the D. At least the difference between the first two terms has to be same. At least that, ideally we need to check for all the terms, but at least the first two terms we need to check for the common difference. Only then we can comment whether this is an EP or no. So A3 is minus 2 minus minus 6 is equal to minus 2 minus minus plus. So here the difference is again 4. So see, the difference is same, it means it is an EP. So we'll write therefore D is same. So this is an arithmetic progression, and the value of D is 4. Now we will write the next four terms. Next, sorry, three terms we have to write. Next three terms. Okay. So a fifth term we will write. For that we have to do A4 plus D. So A4 is what? A4 is 2 and D is 4. So the answer is 6. Then A6, A5 plus D. So A5 is 6. So 6 plus 4 is 10. A7, A6 plus D. So 10 plus 4 is 40. So this completes our question number, this sub question number 4. Now we'll see sub question 5 on the next page. Now, now we will see sub question number 5. So first we need to calculate D, whether it is same or no we need to find out. So A2 is 3 plus root 2 minus A1 is 3. So here you see guys, here we have plus 3, nothing is there means plus, and here we have minus 3. So plus minus will get cancelled, and what we have is D, which is root 2. Now we will find D one more time. We have to check it for one more time. So A3 is what? A3 is 3 plus 2 root 2 minus, sorry, A2 we have to give. In bracket I will write 3 plus root 2, because guys, if we have minus sign and in the next after the minus sign, if we have two terms, then we need to put both those terms in the bracket. That is the basic mathematics rule, right? Hope you know all these things. Now here minus we have and we have something in bracket. There are more than one terms, then we have to put that in bracket. And then in the next step, we need to change the signs for both these terms. Yeah. So 3 plus 2 root 2. Now this is plus, so we have to make this minus, and this is also plus, so we have to make this minus. Now we can solve further. Now see here, here we have plus 3, here we have minus 3. So this 3 and this 3 will cancel each other. Here we have 2 root 2 and minus root 2 we have. So here we have 2 root 2, and here what we have is root 2. So guys, this, when we have something like this, when we have roots, we have to solve it the same way when we solve when we have the variables. Like for example, if we have 4x minus 2x, what we do, we only solve this number part. Only we solve this number part. We don't try to solve the x here, right? So 4 minus 2 is what is 2, and just we write the x part. How we treated x the variable, the similar way we need to treat this root part. So we have to not solve this root, but only the numbers beside these roots, outside these roots is what we have to solve. Remember this. When we are doing plus minus, only then we have to solve it like this. If we are multiplying, there is a different way. So when we will come across that situation, I will explain you that. But when we are doing plus addition or subtraction, plus or minus with the roots, then this is how the way we treat the variables, this is how we have to treat this roots. Remember this. So now here this root 2 we should not solve, we need to treat it like an x. So here only the outside numbers we need to uh, solve. So here it is minus 4, so we need to subtract them. So here nothing is there means here one invisible one will be there always. So 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, right? And root 2 as it is you write. Now if you write 1, that is also okay, or if you don't write 1 and if you simply write root 2, that is also, it is one and the same. So if you see here, here also we have root 2 and here also we have root 2. It means that the d is same. Yeah, we are getting d as same. So d is same every time. It means this is an AP. This is an AP. And what is the value of D? D is root 2. Now we will find, I will continue here. Now we will find the next three terms. Next three terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4 terms they have given. So the fifth term is what we will find out. So A4 plus D is what we have to do. A4 is how much? A4 they have given 3 root 2. 3 root plus. Uh, D is how much? It is root 2. So we are adding here. So plus minus means we need to treat this root 2 like an variable x. So here nothing is there means 1 is there. So outside numbers only we have to add. So 3 plus 1 is 4 and write the root part as it is. 4 root. So this is our answer. Guys, I made a small mistake here. So here A4 is not 3 root 2, it is 3 plus 3 root 2. So what we'll do is we'll just cancel this and we will solve it here. So A4 is 3 plus 3 root 2 plus D is root 2. So here nothing is there means 1 is there. So 3 root 2 plus 1 root 2 will become 4 root 2. So I will write these 3 as it is. And these things we can combine. So it will become 3 plus 1 4 and root 2 as it is. Okay, root 2 has to be considered like an x, like a variable. Okay, so this is the A5 term. Now we will find A6 term. For that, I'll just rub this thing. So here A5 plus D. So A5 is how much? 3 plus 4 root 2. Just now we found out here. Plus D is how much? Root 2. So this 3 as it is I will write, and 4 root 2 plus 1 root 2 is 5 root 2. Then we will find A7. Now A6 plus D. A6 is 3 plus 5 root 2 plus root 2. So 3 will write as it is. So here nothing is there means 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 root. So this is our answer for sub question 5. Now what we'll do, we will see the next questions on the next page in the next video. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel. And for online tuition classes, visit this website. Thank you very much, guys.